Sir, you're being rude. You can't eat cheesecake. Good morning, everybody. We are just about ready to go to Danbury today.
Uh-oh. You're not going to be walking around the mall with this thing all day, are you?
No. If I do any vlogging, it will be on my iPhone.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to have a safe lunch at Cheesecake Factory. We get there when it opens, and there's no one there, usually, especially now. And we're going to do just a little bit of shopping and then come home. So Jamie's going to be all alone all day by himself. Well, our son is home, but
It's like being home alone.
He actually
He'll get up. We'll be home before he wakes up.
He's such... In case you guys don't realize, we're not the only ones who live in this house. My 25-year-old son, who graduated from college last May, we missed his graduation. There's no graduation. So sad. And he hasn't been able to really get a full-time job because of COVID. I don't want him out there with him. Anyway. So he's home all day. So he's up all night playing games on the computer with his friends till like 4 in the morning, and then he sleeps till 4 in the afternoon. So and he wouldn't be on camera anyway, which is fine. I respect that. But yeah, we do have another person who lives in this house. So if you catch a glimpse of him, it's not a stranger.
Okay.
Are you looking at the cat? Is he down here?
Yes.
Okay, so I have to show that. So you guys, Tom has been enjoying our vlogs. Hold on. Oh, what are we doing? Are we cleaning our butt?
Ignoring you like you should.
Hi. Hi, cutie. Everybody loves Tommy. Yeah.
Oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Olive. N.A. Why doesn't it say what size it is?
Look on the... I have... Oh, wait. No, it says small. It's a tiny...
Oh, God. Why don't they write it a little
It's tiny. It says... What do you think? Do you like that?
I like it a lot, yeah.
I like it, too. It looks like something you would wear.
Yeah.
That's super cute.
Where does this go?
Does that go around him? I don't...
Oh, okay. That's what holds them on.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I like that.
Think it'll fit him?
I think so. He's gotten big.
Yeah, I know. That's the only problem.
And I don't think they come in an extra small anyway.
But a medium, probably.
No.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
Back from our mall trip, and Jamie got a coat. It's funny, a lot of people in the comments yesterday asked me why I wasn't knitting Jamie a coat.
Yeah, why?
Because I don't want to. I'm just not in a headspace to knit a dog coat right now. And I'm only knitting things that bring me joy at the moment. And it would take me, by the time I finished it, it would be March. So, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. So he got a cute little coat from LL Bean. And
Reversible.
it's reversible. We have to fix his little harness and make it a little bit bigger to fit over it. It didn't really fit under it because he got so big this year. For the past 2 years since I bought him a coat. But it's super cute. Are you warm?
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So I brought my cheesecake home to have with some tea. So I'm going to end the vlog right here. I will see you tomorrow, and maybe we'll do another little outdoor outing. Cheers. Sir, you're being rude. You can't eat cheesecake.